Listen, new clients are great and welcome, but how you treat your existing customers is what determines how long you'll stay in business. Hi, my name is Candy and I am a makeup artist and beauty educator who loves to share helpful information. The secret to working smart and less hard is in how you treat your old and existing customers. Now, take for example, you want to offer discounts. Instead of offering discounts in order to drag in new clients, you can offer these discounts to your old and loyal customers in order to show appreciation. When I was braiding in, I think 2016, 2015, back in uni, I had a month where I offered 20% discounts, and this month was the month of February. I was born in the month of February, so I always did it as a birthday discount, birthday appreciation to my customers. If you were new or old, it didn't matter actually, but I offered 20% discount throughout the entire month. Now, this was a deep haircut, like no jokes. If I was supposed to get like 100,000, I would get 80k. Like 20k haircut is a big haircut. It's a big haircut, especially if you are in a small business. Those little amounts can add up. But what I found was I actually got more blessed with new clients. Most of the clients were so surprised that I would even offer them discounts like this without them asking. In fact, if you didn't know, because I posted it on social media, if you didn't know and you came to book me, I'll tell you, oh, I'm offering a discount though. So this money you are paying, I'm going to refund you like 20% of it. They were so happy. Some of them even gifted me stuff like happy birthday. It was so nice. And in the end, it benefited my business. But the point of this is I only did it when it suited me. So please do not just go around offering discounts anyhow. Do it with sense. You can also appreciate your old customers by thanking them and appreciating them for every new customer that they bring. For instance, if someone walks into your place or they book you and they tell you so and so person told me about you, then you know that you owe this you owe getting this customer to your old client. You can at least call them, thank them in words, you can thank them in deeds, you can thank them in kind. In fact, you can tell them 20% off your next service, or you can offer them premium treatment when they show up in your place. This is just to show them appreciation and keep them coming back. Now you might be asking me, why are we focusing on the old customers? It's because they are walking billboards. They are walking advertisements to your business. Before Instagram, ads, and all the other things were a thing, real life advertising was it. Human beings did the advertising and they did it for free. My tutor who taught me makeup 10 years ago used to always say she didn't care about social media frenzy, popularity. All she cared about was how her clients looked in person, because that person was the one that was going to carry the word about her business even without saying anything. Like if someone is coming close to you and you're like, wow, this person's makeup looks so good. I mean, even the pictures didn't do justice. That's already selling your market. Do you understand? So all the ads, the social media, whatever, the popularity is great, but trust me, word of mouth has always been the cheapest, most effective mode of advertising. Like positive feedback from your old clients says a lot and will have you booked for ages. Why is that? Because if someone who has been with you for a very long time has only bad things to say about you, your clientele is going to cut short no matter how good you are. But if they have good things to say about you, how you speak, how you act, how you treat them when they come back, this is going to bring a whole lot of people, because people would want to experience this for themselves. Treat your old customers specially today and watch the new customers trooping by the numbers. Good luck, my friend.